Good morning, ladies. I am starting off this vlog in Chelsea. I'm in a really cute Muse and I'm just walking through, and we are going to go for breakfast. After breakfast we are going to have a mooch around in Zara and maybe a couple of other places. I'll see how I feel, and after that we are finally going to head to this museum that I've been saying in the last few vlogs that we're going to go to. So that should be exciting. I'm looking forward to just having a really relaxed day, so I'm going to bring you along with me. I'm also going to be showing you a few places that if you're in London and you're taking part in the challenge that you can go to. So yeah, I just realized there was one that I should have shown that I didn't. Let's get going. I'll catch up with you in a bit. Thank you. Thank you.
Yes, please have a seat. It's my colleague.
Okay, perfect. Thank you. I actually had a subscriber come up to me, which was really cute. Somebody who watches the channel. So shout out to you, honey. And yeah, I really appreciate that. And she was just being really sweet, and yeah, she was really cute. So I appreciate that. Hi, if you're watching. But let's get something to eat. My tummy's feeling a bit weird. I might have a tea, maybe a pastry, I don't know. Let's see. Thank you. Eggs Royale, so a mint tea.
Okay, perfect. Eggs Royale with salmon, yeah?
Yes.
And do you have any allergies that we need to be aware of?
Thanks.
Hi.
Thank you. Thank you very much. I'm all done with my food, and now I'm just going to finish my mint tea. It's really, really yummy, just to help my stomach because my tummy feels really bad today. And then we'll head off and try to do a little bit of shopping, and then we will go to the museum. So yeah, I'm just going to finish my tea and then we'll go. Breakfast is done, and now we're going to head to Zara. I'm going to show you a couple of restaurants as well that you can head to. So we were at Colbert, well, we're still here. This is a nice place to go to. It also has a bar. I'm just going to show you, so this is one of my recommendations, and now I'm going to show you my outfit. Wearing my long satin skirt with my platform boots, a black turtleneck, and my long pink waterfall coat. As you can see, Colbert over there is where we just had breakfast. Now we're heading in this direction to go to Zara, so let's go. Would you wear these denim mules? I think they're really cute. Let me know. What do you think about that square toe? I think that might be a bit too structured for me, but that is really pretty. Comment below if you would wear the denim mule. What do you ladies think about this embellished shirt? This could look really nice tucked into a mini skirt. What do you think? Well, we love a set, don't we? And here we go. We have a really cute, I think this is off-white or very, very, very light grey. I think it's off-white. What do you think about this? It's still way too cold for this, but for summer this would be perfect. Do you ladies remember I had this in pink? I actually got rid of it because I stopped wearing it, but this was a favorite of mine for a while. Now they have it in navy. What do you think? With the embellished buttons. So we're in Zara. I picked out a few pieces. We're about to try them on together. Here they are. Ooh. I thought I would like this style on, but I think it just drowns me a bit. But you can adjust these toggles so that you're able to get more of a snatched waist. I love the contrast between this cream or off-white and the black button detailing. And of course this skirt is just way too short. I mean, come on. No. This is the price of the jacket if you're interested in that. If you're interested in the skirt, here's the information. I actually thought this was a skirt, but it's not. So it's literally shorts in the back and a skirt at the front. I thought again this was a skirt, but it's not. Shorts in the back. And you know I'm not the biggest shorts fan. This is the information if you're interested, and let me show you the matching jacket. Lovely buttons, and here is the price or the code if you want to search for it online, or you can just scan that QR code. But oh, no buttons on the sleeves. But yeah, let's get this set on. I love this detail on the sides with the buttons, but full on shorts at the back. I love the pleats, but yeah, it's just too short for me. But let's try on the jacket. Just for height reference, I am 5'1". What are we thinking? The too boxy on me, right? Kind of just sticks out. The buttons also have colour in them. Here's the pricing information for the next dress I'm about to try on. Here's the pricing information for the last piece. Let's try on. So what do you ladies think about this? I think that my proportions make it so that the slits do not make sense. It goes down to my ankles. What do you think? Would you wear this? And do you think it's too long for me? Let me know in the comments. That was actually another recommendation. There are always people sitting outside, some also alfresco dining, but also inside as well. So we're right in Belgravia now, and I just want to show you another restaurant just right here in one moment when we get a little bit closer. So it's this one, which is called Chuck's, and there are lots of these around London. and there's bar seating and other things, so you're able to sit at the bar. You could do al fresco dining because, as you can see, that there is table seating outside. Who remembers my story time when I spoke about going to Santini? Who remembers? If you do, then comment below. Can you believe it's so windy? Oh my gosh, my leave out is trying to separate. Guys, I think I've got it under control. But can you believe I'm actually walking all the way to Coburn? I am trying to get my steps in, but I mean, more than that, I am trying to just really get a bit more healthy. Recently I've had kind of like things going on. I've had like hospital appointments and for things that I'm just not going to speak about on this channel, but it's time for me to cut down on certain things like my sugar intake, my sodium intake, make sure I'm exercising more. Ladies, this has been such a long walk for me. Oh my gosh, I'm literally at this pub, I don't even know what it is, just to like sit down and rest my feet for a second and double check the maps to see if I knew where I was going. I actually went the wrong way. I went the longer way and I was going off of memory, did a few wrong turns, honey, and now I'm in Covent Garden. I think I'm like just, well, it says that it's a 12-minute walk from here, so we're almost there. So I'm at the British Museum and my feet are actually killing me because I just walked for maybe an hour, maybe like an hour and a half. Honestly, it was from about 12:30 and now it's after 2. So yeah, so now I'm actually in the museum and my feet are aching, so I'm actually sitting down. I'm in the Africa section downstairs and I'm just going to sit here for a few minutes and then continue making my way rounds. No, doing the rounds and making my way around. Cute. Okay, I'll show you more when I see something really, really interesting. I definitely have my own theories about some of these pieces. Lots of history I do feel like is they're extraterrestrials. Comment below an alien emoji if you agree. The long limbs, the elongated skulls. Yeah, to me it's just obvious that they are extraterrestrials. But yeah, I'm going to continue on and I'll bring you with me. So when you see the actual size of a pharaoh's statue, that is the head and this is part of the arm. You kind of guess how they actually put these together at that time. My theory is that, well, I have a few theories, but put yours below if you're interested. So I'm still at the museum. I'm having such a lovely time just looking around. This is the only quiet space where there are no other people and it actually feels Like there's some air conditioning in here, which is good. I showed you some of the things that I've seen so far. Amazing. I hope that you're enjoying the vlog. If you are, thumbs up right now if you're enjoying it so far, and I'll come back and check in with you soon. Hi ladies, so I'm going to end this vlog here. I've just left the museum and now I'm going to make my way to Waitrose and get a couple of things and go home. So thank you for watching. Like and also comment below your favorite parts of this vlog, and I'll see you in my next video.